Welcome back to my channel. I am DaeZhane for anybody who does not know. So today I'm going to be doing a video on my eyelash extensions. Excuse all this, we're going to make another video after this. For my eyelash extensions, I've already made a video on how I like to do them myself, but I'm going to try a new method with a different type of glue. As you all know, I was using the regular hair glue for the videos, and I projected that it would probably last about maybe 2 weeks. False, no, incorrect. That lasted like 2 days. Yeah, so it lasted like 2 days. The reason why, like, the steam in the shower would just be melting that glue away. It would just turn into rubber and it just would not last at all. Washing my face, like, it would just come up. So I'm still not ready to try this. I'm not ready to try this with real eyelash extension glue, but I did see another video where somebody used this. It is the Ardell Professional Lash Tight for individual lashes in the dark adhesive. So, you know, Ardell, they make lashes, they sell strip lashes, and I guess they sell like the little cluster lashes. I'm not necessarily sure if this is like the lash glue that they sell in the tube that they just put in this form, or if this is actually like really good for actual lash extensions. So we're gonna see. Hopefully it's not too strong, but hopefully it makes a change and it lasts. If you haven't seen my first video, I will go ahead and watch that. But if you have seen my first video, then you know some of the tools that I'll be using. I'll be using this. I got this off Amazon. All the products that I'm using for my lashes I got off Amazon, so I have the links below. I'll be using the lash tray that I used before. This is the length of 8 to 15 mm, and then I actually got another one from Amazon because I wanted a more, you know, dramatic look, and this is 14 mm to 19 mm, and they're both in the D style. So I don't necessarily know how I'm gonna do my eyelashes. Like, I have in mind what I kind of want, but as you all know, I'm not a professional, so I don't know the whole, you know, do this here and here and separate. Y'all just watch the video and see. Guys, I am back and this is the final look. So I've done my hair and I've done my makeup, and yeah, here are the lashes. So they're dramatic, but like, I've had lashes more dramatic, you know, strip lashes. Let me zoom in. I'm pretty sure I have eyeshadow on the lashes by now, but you can see like they don't look as messy as I anticipated. Okay, so what I have learned is the lash glue is good lash glue. So it's not like the hair glue where it's like it turns into rubber and like you can kind of pull the lash off if it doesn't dry fast enough. Once this lash is on your lid, it's pretty much on, so we'll see how this goes with taking it off. Another thing I didn't mention in my old video, so when you're doing lashes, you're not supposed to apply the lash to your skin, or like, it's like you're supposed to put it connected to the lash but not too close to where it actually touches your eyelid. Yeah, that was kind of hard for me to do with this, so I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out. I haven't had any reactions so far, but I do know if you put the lash too close to the eyelid, it does kind of pinch the lid a little bit. So I am experiencing a little pinching on this side because some of the lash is actually on the lid. So about the difference between the lashes, so I have the links to these below, but this one is the first brand that I bought, which is QL, and then this is the second one I bought, which is what I have on now, which is the T-Dance. These lashes are much softer than these lashes. I think these may be synthetic and these may be human hair, but these like are stronger, so they're harder and they feel stronger. They just feel more sturdy and they look a little bit more bold, while these look more fluffy. So there's like a difference. But I feel like these are thicker in volume. So these are 0.18 and these, I don't know, these are 0.7, but for some reason these just don't feel as full, and maybe that's because I wasn't able to create as many fans or like as thick fans as I have with these. But I'm gonna insert pictures of my lashes with these lashes, and then you all can see how these look right now. But I don't know, these just don't feel as thick in volume, but they're definitely there and pretty nice with length. Yeah, I really like these, and I can't really explain how I put these lashes on as far as like the order and the number. I just kind of started off with a 17 towards the end, and then I switched from like 17, 16, 15, 17, 16, 15, 17, 16, 15, and then I went in and added 18 and 19 just in random places to just make it like pop. So yes, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you haven't seen my first video, please go ahead and watch it. I didn't make my disclaimer like I usually do, but I am not a lash tech professional. I do respect all the different lash techs out there. However, this is just something that I want to try on myself. I don't anticipate to try real lash glue, as I know that can really affect the eyes. This Ardell glue, it does have a scent to make it seem like it's strong, but I didn't have any issues with like doing my lashes with my eyes open. So that is all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in my next.